Hi everyone, Gail here from Retail Resilient, and this is your weekly social media update for March 25th through the 31st. I have one item on my mind this week, and it's not should I invest in social media in 2024? It's how quickly will I excel at social media in 2024? So if you're not sure what to do with organic social media or paid social media or how to brand your dealership and your sales and service staff on social media, it's not a question anymore of whether you should invest. It's how do I excel at it? That is something we've been helping dealerships with for the last 7 years. So having an overall brand strategy, not just traffic ads from some vendor that you hire, not just a lead gen strategy, but like an overall branded strategy where you can measure KPIs for reach, cost per lead, cost per sale, cost per message, tracking in your Google Analytics of how or what's the behavior of your customers on social and what are they doing on your websites with the different events on your websites. So it's really important to have a robust social media strategy. And I know from interviewing well over 500 car dealers, most of them come to us and say, help me with this. So food for thought for the week, and I'll catch you all on the social media update next week.